Obianso vice president, Obianso president in this country. Somebody vice president and Kasa. Mubati Yebesi. They have changed my agent at Wakosha Hotel room. I'm going to give President Akufo-Addo and Vice President a showdown in this country. President Akufo-Addo, member showdown. Vice President, member showdown.
They just call Kennedy. You know what have happened? He called Kennedy. And you know time like this, his energy and his distance will be high. And you are not there. And you call him to say, this is what has happened.
Also, Kwame Owusu is the one who told Kennedy that his agents in Northeast is being chased out.
Meanwhile, we have police there.
Honorable Kennedy, Akompre Agyapong, Anna, yet the voice and in Wolf Papa. Catch the Omampeni and Nado Danko Akufo-Addo, Ado show boy, Ado prime playing, you playing fast papa. Amen and Yanda Honwan 2 a year, Bawumia for power. Or no Krumha or Monkoha, Naninano. Akwa ye enedua yi eye MPP super delegate conference anase election ekoso na mpanifo ehwe kwanyom be yi nkrofo makomako enum na omode afesi eye national conference election na bibia atumi awie peyo eye national election no ahebeba so November num na ene ana election kakra tumi ekoso na mpanifo chirimu a nipa 900 ana ene omoto abano na obi ebo ne homoden se nipa makomako edu no obi abetumi adi nkonim na yetumi ababe fesi ewo November election a MPP osrama nyukuo ebe to no ho na ebra na chese abato no ekoso no obi ani abre party agent fo no obi ani abre kramant ya ni amanebo chirimu a amanfo bebre na fa ho prepra enye feeling bam na asamba akwa tesa manfo bebre na twe na sra ne abasa ye onabo Kennedy Akompre Agyapong papa yi enje bia na ko apai na ye wa ye ka bi hyebu ye be hu an se papa yi etotototo ne nsa sane video yi hwe wo screen so a pepepe papa ebuofu papa ka kiro mampeni na Nado Danko Akufo-Addo ado premai ado kim promise o ka kire ni pre nye play fa se papa yi ana hye Bawumia kutupa ama ena me ka sei ni party agent a owo yapam no na no na nam so papa yi ayi su strong words pa o de am mampeni na Nado Danko Akufo-Addo ne Bawumia se o be mom showdown oh yeah
Central region there bibia yedimraso Enti Bibia is in order. Thereby near election committee, any police ni EC agree. And no penny aye. But Kamara Maminfa Winka say yes, sir. National executives. Say only vice president in Kasa. You go near Northeast in Kwanda ye Ghana. MPP for EBP second Agyapong de Okasabasa. Fiameno ka say the agent e Northeast. Oma chasing and we question the hotel room. We know, say, at the end, delegates are 28. I feel the diaspora in Bao Abeto. MPP for year, vice president, he will get the shock of his life in this country. He will get the shock of his life. Vice president, Obianso vice president, Obianso president in this country. Somebody vice president and Kasa. Mubati Yebesi, Northeast, and Ghana. They have changed my agent at Wakosha Hotel room. I'm going to give President Akufo-Addo and Vice President a showdown in this country. President Akufo-Addo, member showdown. Vice President, member showdown. So, Muma chasing me agent. I'm not going to them. What do you embassy?
Honorable Ken, Bajo,
me challenge President Akufo-Addo anytime. Bawumia, me challenge you anytime. Obianso bia Ghana ho, Wontumi to bia unungure. Mo pese mo ko opposition, mo ko opposition. Bawumia, I'm telling you. So pese ko opposition, mo ko opposition.
Na ntino na chese Kennedy Agyapong no ne buafu no ho se yenya no koda na chese ene Bawumia na Akufo-Addo ayi omo ha.
Me Kennedy, even the time I was coming, I told him he would be second. He would have looked for the running mate. The time I was coming.
Today. You spoke to Kennedy today?
Today, of course. He's my brother.
Oh, you spoke to Kennedy Agyapong today?
Yes, of course.
And you told him that what?
I told him he would be second. And to me, he's my brother. And I always will say the truth. He would have looked for a running mate.
He should have looked for a running mate.
Running mate because Bawumia will beat him.
Is it too late?
You said...
Is it too late?
now it's not only about Ken, it's about the people who is involved. You see something happening today. Kennedy is somewhere. You know Kennedy is a firebrand, you know. And when we was there, something happened in the northern region. Yeah, then the people who was there, they just call Kennedy. You know what have happened into specifically. It's my uncle, Kwame Owusu. I always call him.
Yeah, Kwame Owusu Maritime. I know him. I spoke to him yesterday as well.
It's my uncle. So I call him my uncle. Because Kennedy is my brother. So he called Kennedy. And you know time like this, his energy and his distance will be high. And you are not there. And you call him to say, this is what has happened.
So Kwame Owusu is the one who told Kennedy that his agents in Northeast is being chased out.
Meanwhile, we have police there. We have all the agents there. So why is you have to talk?
So the information is not correct?
Oh, and I'm saying I was there with Kwame Owusu here.
Kwame Owusu was here in Kumasi?
He was here. He was in charge here.
But how do you know Kwame Owusu made the call to Kennedy?
Because I was there like this.
Oh, I see.
I'm a regional chairman. I'm close to him.
So you heard Kwame Owusu telling Kennedy that Yapami and Crawford no back Upper East.
Kwame Owusu talked to Kennedy every 5-10 minutes.
About Ashanti.
About Ashanti and everywhere. You know Kwame Owusu is the
coordinator, yeah.
Coordinator for all. So he report. You see, sometimes it's not about what have happened that is the problem, but how you respond to it. That makes it as a problem. Kennedy is asset.
Na asemu yi ba ye hwe animu aso mampani na nadoda nkwa Akufo-Addo premain papa yi ene ono so be kasa de afa ho na papa yi ene wa ye nka bi nhyimu ono so kridi wa be kasa fa ho kiremu prenye plefa se ono de omo cheso on da osi obia omo obia se omo obia din se we asomasi ana se bi da bi Dubewi ni biya no onwini no mfa mefisi e November national election no say no mampedi na na dodan kwa Akufo-Addo nso e kan.
Same time there's some calling for me to endorse their candidates. There's some who are calling for me to endorse their candidates. I haven't endorsed anybody. The election is not mine. If I had, I would decide it. I don't decide it. It's the delegates in our party that decide it.
O mampedi na na dodan kwa Akufo-Addo asema o kan ye eno no nti wo hwe eye screen so election no say ana ekọ no a ene amanfo bibire na ye de ni to omoso bibire na no di amanfo hwamo bibire na nso lusu hanti no wo hwe de odikan na eye owura Mahamadu Dr. Bawumia ana edikan ansa na akompre kun Kennedy ahene Agyapong aba na alanche kwadwo charamaten so ediso na omo keka ho so atoatoa so ayi na tese ne enya sem keto akora na asemu ba ye na manfo bibire na bobo eye people's president eye Kwame plus ne enumere ya wabetena Kwame ayi UTV so kirimu se Ghana ha ye rough na yankoto abapa eye November ni mu dia ne ade efe be hentan na ye nyina ye nim se de obetumi aboa na eye Osoramanyoko MPP party betumi awie pe no eye ohene Agyapong inti Ghana fo nyina eye campaign emfama eye Agyapong na bibie ntumi nwie pe ya Kwame plus nso akasa wo ho na before ebekohwe video no ede abano mekanfo Abigail Moatin ede amawose Abigail eye digital marketing expert Abigail ebenam internet so akire okwan obefa so aye adwuma we internet so enye sika de egu butumu enye adwuma den bia oyoba oyebema businessman business person betumi aye adwuma we anaso betumi aye no aka o side job a oye ho na bibia tumi edimu adwuma we odi ade sa no beko Moatin Abigail online no akọ register eye udin ene details na Abigail etumi no wakasa akire kwanya obefa so enye sika yi ebi edi egu botom ne numbers nso ne da screen so no test WhatsApp na Abigail beto no boase ene wadi nkomo na bibia nso etumi ewi pe busiafo ye hwe video ni bi emra
we know enipa, how do you call it, enipa 900 na omoto aba no most of them ye government appointees omo abayama appointment and a few party chairman in the executive a first region like basically people in the government omuto sabawe okay basically people in the government omuto abawe almost obia or to abeni bibiano is an appointee what you say it you know you into results nabano enye bibia news and they are just about 900 and something people. After no more to 200,000, but the be me catch will be as honorable can obey this second. I kept telling people so obey this second. We no your friends say MPP for no my say most of them you're from much na them. Man to ama Bawumia ye be jim position ye be yimodi. Omo beto ye hunahuna na ye bi krato a omo de kire. Ye hunahuna na omo de yes ade no but they omo destroy Bawumia. You need everybody to be part of your campaign if you want to be president of Ghana. If you win and Agyapong does not support you, that's a Agyapong say you're independent, I'll be then. You can never win. Look, there is nobody in MPP who can win an election without Agyapong. It's not possible. It is highly impossible. Like when we need your friend is saying a flag bearer for MPP. Who person who Ghana president, that Agyapong say you're independent. Abano watch him too. And he has the support of the grassroots. And I'm telling them that Agyapong will win the grassroots. When they were campaigning, he was dealing with the grassroots people. And people were doing their own politics. Once he has we beat Alan maybe this second. That is the surprise that came today. The biggest surprise is that he's going to beat Bawumia. They have to work now. MPP for no cry no bebre na ya mente o mase. Abaya ye kotui. Mo kotu no enye Agyapong be gina abanu mu a. Enye Agyapong oba mu a. Enka Bawumia doesn't care about all of you. He knew that it was a cool job for him. I said, yeah, the amano. So nko see about Tikran campaign. Into when nko so mo man be 20%. Onya sa 20 na ombe kwa file omonyoma na yo mchiche bebre aba omoni bebre say onso onya sister ahwe the kitwe bi na because onso onya sister something no mo dey ya mo calculate ade ni ye nko so mo man 20 na fi osi abontin no ye adwuma ni bi ka ho but of course say no mo hu be bia kan gina na the ade de kra wa MPP mu ne say MPP be do time be say mema nim obia suro sa party we kra minim ade a che say odwi ho antia na kwa say as obia suro asisi no mema na pie be mamu showdown in Little Tokyo o hwe sa movie no
so opposite
brady yesu akompreko obia ntumi no
okay
against for no mu ne
Entino na Kwame Plus no ntino no so true support ne de ama ohene Agyapong se Ghana fo nyina yento emfama papa yi na edisuade hu na papa yi ewo ede ma Ghana mabunu ene Ghana nyina no bibie ntimi nwepe ya eno so ye de eho amanebo ede abro nti wo ba no subscribe no share na busu na tumi akoso ayekese ye frame Dan Kwesi Prince nyame yadoma da se ne ye be send ye share mu makrao